Welcome back to the Stack Data Hub YouTube channel. In this video, our next topic is cell formatting in Excel, which we can apply to our table to make the data more clear and professional. In the toolbar ribbon, go to the Home tab. Here you will find several options for formatting cells. For example, you can change the font style and font size, make the text bold or italic, apply cell borders, change the cell background color, and modify the text color. You can also adjust the vertical and horizontal alignment of the text inside the cell to organize the data properly. These formatting options help us present our table in a more structured and readable way. Let's start with the table border. As you can see, each cell has light grid lines, but the table itself does not have proper borders. If we go to the Page Layout tab, you will see the Grid Lines View option. If we uncheck this option, the cell lines will be hidden. Now you can see the table data without borders, which makes it difficult to clearly identify the table and its data. To apply borders, first select the table heading along with all the data, then go to the Home tab and click on the Border option. Here you will see several border styles. In this example, we select the All Borders option. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt+H+B+A. After clicking All Borders, you will see that borders are applied to every cell in the table. Now we again go to the Page Layout tab and uncheck the Grid Lines option. After unchecking it, you can see that the cell grid lines are hidden, but the table borders we applied are still visible. This makes the table structure clear and easy to read, because the borders highlight the table and separate the data properly. The table header and the table data look the same, so we need to make the table header different so it stands out more clearly. For this, we can change the header background color. First, select the table header, then go to the Home tab. Here, click on the Background Color Fill Color option. You will see several color options. Select any color you prefer, and you will see that the header background color changes, making the table header more prominent and easy to identify. We also have the option to change the header text color. For this, go to the Home tab and click on the Text Color option. Here you will see several color choices. Select one of them according to your requirement. For example, if we select the white color, you will see that the header text color changes, making it more suitable and clear with the header background. In the same way, we can also change the table data background and text color according to our requirements. First, select the table data, then go to the Home tab and click on the Fill Color Background Color option. Here you will see different color options. Select any color you prefer, for example a light gray or another suitable color. After selecting it, you will see that the table data background color changes. Similarly, we can change the table cell text color. For this, click on the Text Color option in the Home tab. Again, choose a color from the available options. For example, select turquoise blue. After selecting it, the table data text color will change. This helps make the table more clear, meaningful, and visually organized. We also have the option to change the text font and size for the whole table or only for the heading. For example, if we want to change the font of the table heading, first select the table header, then go to the Home tab and click on the Font option. Here you will see a list of different fonts. Scroll through the list and select one of them. For example, if we select Arial, the font style of the table heading will change. In the same way, we can change the font size. Again, go to the Home tab and select the Font Size option. When you place the mouse on the size list, it will show different size options. For example, if we select 14, you will see that the heading text size increases. However, after increasing the font size, you may notice that some heading characters become hidden because the column width is not wide enough. To fix this, we can select the entire table, then go to the Home tab and click on the Format option. From there, select Auto Fit Column Width. After applying this option, you will see that the table headings become fully visible. However, you may also notice that some columns in the table data show extra space, which is not always suitable. Because auto-fit column width is not ideal in every situation, we can use another solution. First, press Ctrl+Z to undo the previous action. Then select the table heading, go to the Home tab, and click on the Wrap Text option. The Wrap Text feature means that the text inside a cell will appear on multiple lines, allowing the full heading to be visible without increasing the column width too much. Here we can also manually adjust the column width so the text appears on multiple lines. However, a single word will not break into multiple lines automatically. Sometimes the text position may appear on the left, right, or bottom inside the cell, so we need to adjust the text alignment. To set the text position properly inside the cell, press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. In this dialog box, you will see options such as Alignment, Font, Border, and Fill, which are also available in the Home tab, but here they appear with more detailed settings. Now go to the Alignment tab. Here you will find two main options for text positioning. The first is Horizontal Alignment, where we set it to center. The second is Vertical Alignment, where we choose Distributed to support the wrapped text. After that, click OK, and you will see that the heading text position is adjusted properly according to the requirements. Now we adjust the horizontal alignment of the table data. First, we set the Employee ID column. Select the Employee ID column, then go to the Home tab. In the Alignment section, you will see the alignment options at the top. These options control the vertical alignment such as top, middle, and bottom. However, they may not show much difference if the row height is not large enough. Below these options, you will see the horizontal alignment settings. Here we select Center Alignment for the Employee ID column. Next, we move to the Name column. First select the Name column, then try Center Alignment, but it may not look very good. So instead, click on the Right Alignment option, and you will see that the text looks better. After that, select the Date of Joining column and set the dates to Center Alignment. Finally, set the width of column, and the Salary column data alignment is already correct, so no further adjustment is needed. You may notice that the font size of the table heading and the table data is different. So, we will increase the font size of the table data to make it consistent. For this, first select the table data, then go to the Home tab and click on the font size option. From the list, select size 12. After applying it, you will see that the table data font size increases and now it looks balanced with the table heading, making the table more clear and consistent. Now we will add a specific table title that explains the purpose of the table. First, notice that there is not enough space above the table to write the title. To create space, we need to insert new rows. Select the first row, then right-click on it. A dialog box will appear. Click on Insert, and a new row will be added. Click Insert again to add another row. After adding the rows, write the table title in the second row, for example, Employee Detail. Next, increase the font size of the title. Go to the Home tab, click on the font size option, and select 18 so the title becomes larger. After that, make the title bold by clicking the bold option in the Home tab, or by pressing Ctrl+B on the keyboard. Now, set the title background color. Go to the Fill Color option and choose a gray color. You may notice that only part of the title background color changes, and the title is not centered across the table. To fix this, we use the Merge Cells option. In the Home tab, click on the Merge option. Several merge options are available, but we can simply click the Merge option by default. This will merge the cells and center the table title across the table. Finally, delete the third row to remove the extra space between the title and the table. Now it look better. We use the Insert Row option to add a table title. In the same way, we can also insert columns according to our requirements. For example, the table does not currently specify the employee designation, so we will insert a new column. Suppose we want to add the designation column after the name column. For this, select column D, then right-click on it. A dialog box will appear. Click on the Insert option, and you will see that a new blank column is inserted with the same cell properties. Now write the heading designation in the header cell. After that, manually increase the column width by dragging it with the mouse. Next, enter the employee designations in this column. For example, first employee, admin second employee, cashier third employee, accountant fourth employee, assistant fifth employee, GM. When we insert a table, it automatically applies the same cell properties, which works like the Format Painter. Now let's see how we can use this when we enter a new record. First, select the last record row. After that, go to the Home tab, and in the Clipboard group, click on the Format Painter. Then select the row range below the table up to the required columns. After applying it, you will see that a new blank row appears with the same table cell properties. Now you can enter the new employee record in that row. There is also another method to copy the table properties for a new record. For this, select the blank row below the table and press Ctrl+D. This will copy the entire row along with its data. After that, you can modify the values and enter the new record. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share the video with others.